Welcome to Lesson 21. Today we explore Gemini Live and visual interaction. This evolution changes the experience from typing to having a fluid, natural conversation while letting the AI see what you choose to show. Gemini Live allows you to talk naturally and show the world to get guided help. It is about communicating through voice and sight, making complex tasks simpler by collaborating with your AI in real time. Remember, this is a conversation, not a speech. Talk naturally, feel free to interrupt if you need to change the direction, and always ask follow-up questions to clarify the information you receive. To get started, open the Gemini mobile app on your device, tap the live icon or swipe as indicated, and simply say what you need. Start with something simple to get comfortable guiding the flow. You are the operator. Steer the conversation by telling Gemini to slow down, explain things differently, or focus on a new aspect. You maintain control throughout the entire interaction. When the information you need is in the physical world, turn on your camera. Point clearly at the object, ensure the lighting is good, and state your goal so Gemini can help you understand it. Follow this simple formula. Show the object, define your goal, and set a limit. For example, ask for one safe step at a time to keep the guidance clear and manageable. Here is a practical example. If you are learning a new machine, show it to Gemini, define your goal, and request instructions one step at a time. This keeps the interaction focused and safe. If your problem is inside an app, use screen sharing. Be mindful that the entire screen is shared, so make sure to close any private information or apps before you begin. When navigating settings or menus, ask for one tap at a time. Confirm that you have finished each step before asking for the next one to stay in sync with the AI. Select your tool based on the location of the problem. Use the camera for physical objects around you, and use screen sharing for content located directly on your phone or tablet. Remember to ask for guidance, not magic. You are the one taking the physical action, while Gemini provides the steps to get there. Keep your request clear to ensure the best results. If Gemini misinterprets what it sees, stop, correct it, and show it again. It is perfectly normal to provide feedback if the AI needs another look at the situation. Privacy always comes before convenience. Never share passwords, bank details, or personal documents. Review your activity settings and be intentional about what you allow the AI to see. To practice, pick a simple, safe object and use your camera to ask Gemini about it. By following these steps, you will quickly become a proficient and secure AI operator. Pause this video and consider these two options. Which request will get better help? Think about which one provides Gemini with the clearest view, goal, pace, and a specific stopping point. Choose A or B. The correct choice is B. It is effective because it gives Gemini exactly what it needs: a clear view of the object, a defined goal, and a specific pace. Always remember, show it, name your goal, and set the pace. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and keep learning with AI Operator School 2.0. AI teaches. Humans operate. See you in the next lesson.